friends, today we are going to make tomato chutney and green coriander chutney. They both are excellent accompaniments to various dishes. That's why they are a must-have in my kitchen. They both are equally easy to make. So let's begin. We will start by heating up 2 tablespoons of oil. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and once it starts spluttering we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, which is also known as asafoetida. In addition to improving digestion and overall gut health, this humble spice will surprise you with its numerous health benefits. In goes finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion. Saute it till it is golden brown. Now we will add 4 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Let's add more spices to this. Turmeric powder, lots of Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Now mix this well and cook this on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes till almost all the water evaporates. We'll add sweet basil, chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, and a spoonful of agave syrup to give it a nice sweet taste. Further cook this for another 5 minutes. So our tomato chutney is ready. This is the texture you're looking for. It's all mushy, more paste-like. So now we will make green coriander chutney. For this we will need coriander leaves, jalapenos, you can always use green chilies, some mint leaves, a piece of ginger, 2 garlic cloves, some raw peanuts, cumin powder, salt to taste, and lemon juice. So we have to grind all the ingredients together. You can add little bit of water. This is the consistency we are looking for. Our green coriander chutney is ready. So friends, make blissful cooking a part of your life. I would love to have you as a subscriber. You know what to do. Like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. The tomatoes are golden brown. Now we are
The onions are golden brown.